This 2014 New Holland FR600 forage harvester is currently available at Corner View Farm Equipment. This unit is paired with an 8-row head. There's around 2,300 cutting hours on this unit and under 3,500 hours on the engine. The engine on this unit has around 520 horsepower. This FR600 does have 4-wheel drive. It is equipped with auto contour and head tilt, as well as an inoculation system and a rear view camera. This unit has electric heated mirrors, as well as an Auto-Lube system. Installed on this unit is a 32 knife drum that is currently outfitted with 16 knives. This unit also has a Kernel processor that is included in the price. This unit does have climate control. It has been inspected. We do have a copy of the inspection report available. This unit has been evaluated with knives at 90% and blower paddles at 90%. For a copy of our inspection report and the warranty details that is included on the sale price of this unit, please give Corner View Farm Equipment a call.